Long ago, during the time of Queen Victoria, Britain was full of exciting new ideas. People were inventing things that had never existed before. These inventions helped change how people lived, worked, and traveled. This time became famous for its clever inventions, and many of them are still important today. During the Victorian era, inventors were very curious. They asked big questions like, how can we travel faster? How can we send messages far away? How can we make work easier? And soon, amazing answers appeared. One of the most important inventions was the steam engine. Steam engines used hot steam to power machines. They helped run factories and pull trains along railway tracks. Thanks to steam trains, people could travel long distances much faster than before. A journey that once took days could now take just hours. Another exciting invention was the telegraph. The telegraph allowed people to send messages over long distances using wires. Instead of waiting days or weeks for letters, messages could be sent very quickly. For the first time, people far apart could communicate almost instantly. Victorians also invented better machines for factories. These machines helped make clothes, tools, household items. Factories could produce more goods, making items cheaper and easier to buy for families. In Victorian homes, new inventions made daily life more comfortable. The sewing machine helped people make clothes faster. Gas lamps helped light streets and homes. Better stoves made cooking easier. Life at home slowly became safer and more convenient. The Victorian era was also a time of medical inventions. Doctors learned better ways to help sick people. Hospitals became cleaner, and new tools helped doctors do their jobs more safely. These improvements helped people live longer and healthier lives. Queen Victoria watched these inventions change Britain. She believed in progress, learning, and using new ideas to improve life. Because of Victorian inventions, the world became more connected, faster, and more modern. Many of the things we use today, trains, machines, and communication tools, began during the Victorian era. And that's why Victorian inventions are still remembered as some of the most important in history. Thank you for watching, Little Inventors. Join us next time as we explore how Victorian children lived, learned, and played. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with us.